Hello, good people. This is Isaac from IWM. Today we want to talk about vocals. And not just to layering down some cool vocals, but most of all, try to decide where in the production we want the vocals to be. So, I'm going to give you my way of doing things and my decision making. So let's dive in, shall we? First of all, we need to listen to what we have at the moment. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so what do we have here? Well, we have a pretty simple and pretty airy loop that I just created. And if we really listen to where the pauses are in the music, that's where we want to put the vocals. So. Now. So what I do here is to let the music speak, and then I speak as the vocalist, and then the music speaks, and then I do the vocals. So it's a balance between not having too many things going on at the same time. So that's my tip for today. Really to sum up things by saying, let the music speak for itself, and then you add the vocals in between the information in the music. How about that? If you like what I do, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.